So the seller must provide all these details to sell the product in this portal. Okay. So coming to the owner details, we already know this owner name Anjali, and I'm going to call. So if anybody want to contact this product owner directly, they can contact using this. Or else if they want to bid directly in the public portal, so they can bid like this. So forget about these bits. We'll discuss about this later. So right now we need to build a form to generate this page. So image upload, product details, all this stuff. So I'm going to divide this add product part into three sections. So in the first section, I'm going to work on the complete product form in the front end. In the second section, we are going to work on the product API and integration. In the third section, we are going to work on the image uploading thing. Because as I said, this is the complex thing as well as the lengthy thing. So instead of putting all these things in a single place, let's better to divide and achieve. Okay. So let me go to the form now. Portfolio. So if I click on the profile, I'll go to the profile screen. Here you can see. So in this profile, I'm going to have sell. That means the products I want to sell and already sold all these things. So this is the product. This is from the seller side, not from the user. So user can see only this. So Anjali is a seller here too. So she wants to sell her old iPhone 12 Pro. So she has added a product in this product form. So once the product is added, you will be enabled with the images tab. So instead of this, let me show you in the edit how the product looks. So here you can see this is the two tabs for the product. Product details, name, description, price, age. Age is nothing but how many years old the product is. Category, bill available, warranty available, box available, accessories available. So based on this also the users can decide, the buyers can decide whether this price is suitable for these things or not. Okay. So once the product is saved, you can get the product ID, so you can upload the images to that product. So here you can see you can upload multiple images, and you can also delete the uploaded images. So this will take some time, image uploading thing, because we have to learn about the Cloudberry, Multer and all those stuff. So that's the reason I'm going to keep this at the end of the add product only. So first we'll complete the basic form as well as the API integration. So I hope you got it. So now first creating this form model and all this stuff, we need the profile page. So let's go and create that. Everything in the current version. Just refresh. So we should have the page in the console.
If you want to describe
Pages.
any pod, that what are the
Awesome.
containers running
Here you
within
can
that
see
pod,
we have
and what are the
profile.
configuration of these
So I'm
containers, you
going
can
to
execute
directly
the
print the
command
response.data
index
index.js.
pod
JS.
and define the pod. Suppose we are describing the first pod,
Now let's see.
it will display all the
Refresh
information
profile.
regarding your pod. Like this
Okay,
is in the
now
running
let's go to
state,
the
the
app.js.
namespace is default, this is the pod name,
So I
creation
have
time
here,
and the
let's
labels,
the data,
and these
the
are the
required.
containers. The
Intro,
first
about
container is
projects,
the
courses,
chef, the one, and
experiences,
second
and all
container
the
is
things.
the
Profile. So we
these
have
are
these
the container details.
warnings because we have
Then
written
we
a
are
lot
getting
of
the
loops.
conditions, we
So
are
every
getting the
time you
volume
just have to
and
use
the other
the
necessary
unique
information.
key.
Let's
Okay,
clear out
then
the
we can get
console.
rid of the
And
console.
suppose you want to
Now go
execute
to the
command
protected
on a
route. So
specific
you can
container
ignore it
like
for
the
the
one
time being.
container.
Yeah, when we
So
click
now
on
what
this
happens is
username,
to
user.
execute
So
the
if you
command,
want to
you
navigate
execute
the
the command like
user,
kubectl
first you have to set up the
exec
redirect. Done. So let's go to
define the pod
the
name. So
yes.
suppose we are
SRC have
defining
navigated in the folder.
suppose we are
Now
defining
let's
the
create
pod
the
name.
tabs. Redux.
Hyphen C define the container
And
name.
here
We want
I'm
to
going to
execute the
write
command within the Ubuntu container.
a slice,
So we'll
which is
define
called
the
as
Ubuntu
I'm going to
container
import
name,
slice
define the
because we are
then
going to have
define the
only one
command.
slice.
So suppose you want to list
Slice.
out all the file system which are present within my Ubuntu
Tabs.
container.
So now I'm going to create the slice
And these
from
are the file systems
entity.
which are
First you have
present
to
within my Ubuntu container.
import create slice
Suppose the
from
same thing I want to
the
execute
have
for my
toolkit.
chef
So
server.
I'm going to write const
So we will replace the
so the
container
first
name
tab
within the
name
same
will be
pod
I'm
and
going
chef.
to keep it as equal to
Create
buyer
slice.
cell.
And these are the file systems which are present within my
Name will
chef
be
server.
root. So that
And
means
now
the
suppose
products
you
you
want
have
to open the
uploaded,
state,
the products you have initial state, we are going to have only one thing, that is loading. I think we need not to put the bot products here, just for the tab name I'm
after the
giving that.
exec, we will
Okay.
open it
And
within
also
a
here I'm going
interactive
to
mode.
have
So we will define
bits. We can call it as portfolio
hit
data.
enter.
Now don't worry
So
about
what is
this bits
happening over here?
concept or
Right
the
now
initial
it is
data. Just
opening your
keep it as it is. We are
chef
going to
server
have
container within
those
this particular
actions.
pod in
And
a
then
interactive mode.
actions
You can execute anything over
that
here.
are nothing but the
Like
user.
go to the
First one
temp,
will be
define
show
ll,
loading general.
and there are no files or the directory. Let's create some directory like touch
Capital
test1.txt,
functions.
put ll or ls.
Show
You
loading.
can see the directory
So
is
you
present
got
over
the tab.
here.
In
Let's
this we are
exit
going
out,
to make the loading true.
execute
First,
the
the next one, let's
non-effective
leave this
command,
bits and general, keep it as
and
it is.
ls the number
And
of
the
files
data
stored
loading
in
we
the
are
temp.
going to have
So you will
hide
mention
loading
temp,
product page or add
temp,
product form, whatever you can. So
state
let's
is
get
listing
the
out the
equal to
test.txt.
false. And
Here
then
you
we
will
have
get the
one more
number of
function,
pods
new
again.
folder in the portfolio
We will
data,
execute
which
this
will
particular
products.
command for
Whenever
another
we get
pod.
the data from
So
the
suppose
products,
we are executing
again
this
I'm going to
command for
create one
another pod,
index.js ready. So
and
whenever
we are
this
executing this
set
command for the pod.
portfolio data is called, we will
Copy
put the
this
data
and paste
into
it
this
here,
portfolio
hit
data
enter,
variable.
and
Product
now
I'm
it
going
is
to
not
write,
listing out any file.
and then
Right, earlier it was listing out a file. Why it is not listing out any file? Because this
products
time
form
the container is different.
.js.
This time
So
the container is within this particular pod, and we created the file using the
default
interactive
root
mode within
slice
this
close all.
particular
And also
pod. So
then
this is the way how we
the
can
these
troubleshoot your
functions
application within the
profile
Kubernetes
tabs,
cluster. Right?
instead of
So
having
you can
normal
open the
h1
containers,
text,
you can
export
verify the
render
logs
the
within your
profile
container,
component.
you can execute the commands from your
Sorry,
container
products
view.
component.
So you can do all possible things which are possible with
What
your
I'm going to
application.
write means
So that's all
show
how you can
loading,
debug the application within
hide
Kubernetes
loading,
cluster. Thank you team. See you in the coming
hide
lecture.
loading, and all
Hello
the
team,
things
welcome back.
is equal
And
to
today we will
root
see
slice
how we
dot
can get the container
reduces.
logs within the
Or
Kubernetes
else
cluster.
let's keep this as products
So we will see the
users.
container logging, and
Port.
then we will see the
That's all.
kubectl
Products.
logging.
Yeah.
After that, we
Now
will
here
see
you can
a
see now
short
you got the
demonstration
store
of the
done.
container logging.
So
So
and
team, whenever you are
here
executing
first we
any
will have the
application
table.
within the
Forget
container,
about the
the
table. We'll
container
discuss
logging
it
is
later.
very
So
necessary
we need to
and
have
it's
one
very
button
important
here.
to debug the
So
application.
that
So we need
button
to
should
make
be
sure that
add
we should be
product
aware
store.
that how we
Now
can
this
get
is
the
configure
container
store.
logs within the Kubernetes
So
cluster.
here first I'm going to
Kubernetes
have
cluster
import
basically
dot flags
maintain the
reducer
container logs,
or root
which
slice.
used to get the insight of the
Routine
container
got
processing
imported.
function.
Now I'm going to write
Container
going to have
logs
the
basically
button
contains each and
user.
everything which is written to the
And then we are
standard
going to
output
write
and
add
error
product,
stream by the container
and
process.
this should be
So everything,
variant
whatever
outline
is
import, which
basically
is nothing
written
but
in the standard
combine
output
type
that
users
will be
from the
that you will get within the container logs.
and then we are
And due
going
to
to
any
have
reason, if there is error
we
within the
don't have
container
from the
processing,
we have
then you
Redux
will also
toolkit
get that particular
default
error within
and
the container
we
logs.
have default and
And to
dash
get the container
configure
logs in Kubernetes, you have a very simple command, kubectl logs,
store.
define the pod
Yes.
-c
So
and
you
the
got the button
container
Redux
name.
toolkit. So
So
this
we have
has to be
created
we
the
are going to
connection with
configure
master
the store
node.
instead of
And we will
justify
see how
between
many pods are running
justify
over
and
here.
that's all.
So if you remember in the
Okay, so
last
we have
lab,
the
we
store
have
ready.
executed the SEP
So you
server
got the add
deployment
product
and
button.
three
So
pods
when you
were
click on
running
this add
and
product
each
button,
pod
you
was
have to
running
open the
over.
product
Right?
form
So one
JS.
container is
So
the
the
Ubuntu
product
container
form should
and
be a
another
model.
container is the
Store
chef
got
server
imported.
container.
Here
So
I'm
you want to
going to
get
receive
you
providers
can
like.
copy the pod name and execute the
So
command kubectl
let's
describe
import
pod
the provider
and
product
the
form
pod name.
model React Redux
And you
product
can
form
see the two containers are running over
import
here,
set
the
show
chef
product
server
form
and the Ubuntu. Let's
provider
get the
from
logs
React
of
Redux
any
has to
of
be a
your
model, and
containers.
here I'm going
You
to
will
keep
execute
the
a command kubectl
provider has
logs,
to be a model
paste
from
your
the
pod
entity.
name,
Here also I'll do the same
hyphen c
text
and
h1
define the
product form.
container. Hyphen c
Text is not required. Let me write
and define the container
store
name.
is equal
Suppose
to
you want to get the Ubuntu container logs.
just keep it
So you will
title add
define
product,
the
or else let's keep the title
and
empty.
we are getting only one
So
log
create
hello
slice
from
is not
Ubuntu
defined in
container.
the root slice, and when
And
it
how
has
we are
to
getting
open,
that particular
it
log?
has
You
to
will
open
get your
only
file
if show product form
deployment.sh
everything
to
is
use.
perfect. And
Then
on
you can see
cancel
we have
we
only
have to make
executed
the
one
product
command.
form false.
Right?
And
Similarly,
whenever
we
we
have
get the
executed
data from
another
footer
command
as well,
using the
so
chef
we just
container.
write footer null
So if we
dispatch,
will get the
and it
logs
has
of
to
the
be
chef
center
container,
const.
we'll
It
clear
has
out
to
the
be center.
console and get the
Dispatch
logs
is
of
equal
Ubuntu
to good.
container.
Go to
You
the
can see
products
we are
list,
getting the
create
line
the
by line.
equal state use dispatch,
So this is the way how you
const
can the
import,
specific container logs
show
within
product
your
form. Here I'm going
Kubernetes
to write
cluster.
set
If
show
you have any
product
doubt,
form
any question,
initially
you may ask me.
false.
Thank you, team.
So
See
once
you
you
in the
click
coming
on the add
lecture.
product, we are going to make that true.